Welcome all. Today we are going to see how we are going to log in with our school's account in Google to take our online classes. So, once you have been provided with the email ID and password from Tegven or the school, the things that you need to do is first open the Google Chrome browser and enter Google. Once you have entered Google, you need to set up your account. To set up your account, you need to sign in. So click on the sign in if you are not logged in with any other account, and if you are already logged in with any account, then over here it will ask you to switch account. So since I am not logged in with any account, so it's asking for a sign in. Once you click the sign in option, it will redirect you to the sign in page. Here in the sign in page, see, it will ask for your email ID. So here you need to provide the email ID that school or Tegven has provided you. Once you have provided the email ID, you need to click the next button for verification. Once Google is done with the verification, and then it will ask for the password. Once you have provided the password, you need to click the next button. So by this way, you will get logged in to the Google account, and from here on the right hand side, as you can see these 9 dots, these are the app store of Google. Once you click over here, it has Google Meet. So if you want to join the online classes, you can click on this Google Meet option and open it into another tab. So if I go to this Google Meet option, so what it will show me is the scheduled classes. So now, as you can see, I am already having a class of class 10C maths. So it's showing now, and it will also show me the next class what I have. Meet option. From here also, if I click on the specified class, it will take me to the same place to join the Meet option. So now once I am over here, it will ask some of the permissions, like the permission for audio and permission for video. So since I am going to give it manually from here, this message option I will keep dismiss, and from here I will keep allow. Once I have allowed, so next I will click the join option. Once I click the join option, it will take me to the online class where you can see that I have already joined into the class. So from here what we can do, we can turn off our video by clicking on that turn off button, and again if I want to turn it on, I will click back on the same button to turn it on. So it will again join me with the video option. So if I want to mute my audio, I will click over here in the mute. Again to unmute, I have to click over here. Now, some of the things that students should keep in mind, that first, they are not supposed to click on this present now option, because this is simply meant for the teachers to share their screen and make the student teach whatever subject document they have. So if the student by mistake or intentionally press this present now button, it will be subjected under the school offense. Second, they are not to keep this CC caption option on. So every time you should, like, the message should come, turn on caption options. Means this is asking to on the option. So you are not going to keep it on. It's always should be kept as off. And third, that whatever, once the class is over, you are simply going to click this red button to leave the meeting, and you are not supposed to wait for the meeting to get ended automatically, because if you don't click it, you are not going to join the next class. Suppose you see, as I showed you earlier, that there were two classes, one which was going to stop at 10 and the second one which was going to start at 10. So since it's 10 o'clock and 1 minute past 10, so still I have not left the meeting, though the teacher have already left it. So as you can see that it is already 1 minute past 10, but still the class has not got over, though another class has started. So you need to simply put a click on this end call button to finish this meeting. And moreover, the students are not supposed to make any changes over here. So they are simply going to join the class by any of the two options that are shown, and once the class gets over, they are going to click on this red button and see, it's asked you have already left the meeting and need to go to the return to home screen. Once they return to the home screen, see, now from 2020, from that's 10 o'clock, the class has already started. So now the pointer has moved here, and once they click over here, they can simply join that class